We are installing our tent on top of the Bil-Jax TF2100 floor. The new floor system is low to the ground now. So previously it was an elevated floor system, and now there's an option for it being on the ground. As a tent builder, it allows a lot more accessibility and ease of install. The installation of this tent made it easier on the low floor because now you can easily walk up to it and you can access it from all four sides. So you're not having to work high on ladders. Previously, I've used Bil-Jax systems throughout my whole entire career. Bil-Jax just makes a quality product. It's always just a dependable product that can be used for multiple solutions. Working with Bil-Jax is great.